Hey everybody, my name is Dave Vani. I'm one of the sales consultants here at Rydell Chevrolet in Grand Forks. I just wanted to walk around this vehicle with you here. This is a 2019 Chevy Silverado Legacy Edition. So it is actually a 2019 Silverado, but it has the body style of a 2018. So the nice thing about this is that it's incentivized to sell. It's, I think, the last one of two that we have on the lot. So it's kind of your last chance to get at this body style if that is kind of your preference. Additionally, it is a 19, so you can still lease it or purchase it if you like. So on any 18s that we have that's left, you can't lease those, but on this particular one, you still can. So we actually have done some aftermarket to this vehicle already. I'll kind of walk around this with you here. We did put the Chevy bow ties, the black bow ties on the front and back. This is a Z71, so it already does have the painted color match bumpers and grille in the front. It has kind of that mean, nice level stance that you probably notice. It has a 2-inch leveling kit, so it sits really nice and level. It has 18-inch Chevy bow tie wheels with Goodyear DuraTrac, all-terrain, more aggressive wheels on them as well. It has a cold air intake installed. You can notice that the windows are already tinted, so it keeps your vehicle, not only does it give you privacy, but keeps your vehicle a little cooler as well. Moving to the back of the vehicle, it has a factory sprayed-in bed liner, so that's already in there. And then lastly too, it's got Borla dual exhaust. So this truck's already set up with our aftermarket team. It's ready to hit the road. If you want to give us a shout, I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. Again, my name's Dave Vania with Rydell Chevrolet.